Hey dollfaces, it's Annie again. Today I am here to do a requested look from the Naked palette. They never get old, folks. They never get old. So, if you haven't gotten the Naked palette yet, I'm sorry, you need to get this if you like neutral eyes. So, the look I did was kind of a bronzy, olivey, cat eye look that was requested from one of my YouTube subscribers, and I don't have my laptop out, so I can't remember her name, but I think it was Hello Kitty something, and I will put it right here. Ding! Thanks, girl. So this look is for you, Miss Ding, and I hope you like it. And yeah, it's very beautiful, sultry, smoky cat eye. Okay, let's get on with the video. Okay, we're going to start off by priming the lids, as usual. I feel like my primer has started to dry out a little bit. It's really hard to squeeze out, but it's worth the extra effort. Okay, next we're going to pop into our Naked palette, and I'm just going to use Naked and a little bit of Buck. Just going to kind of tap tap and tap tap and just go all over the lid. This can be kind of messy because we will be fixing it later. I just want to put this down first because this will make it easier to blend out our other colors later. Okay, then I'm going to take Feline and I'm going to do kind of an exaggerated cat eye. So I'm going to start up here and bring it in. So it's okay that it looks like this because I'm going to be blending it out, so don't worry. It's so hard to get eyes even. Urgh. Okay, next I'm going in with the darkest color here, which is Creep, like a black with silvery kind of sparkles. It really reminds me of Black Tide by MAC, and I'm just going to kind of set that liner and then blend it a little bit. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to go up toward the crease and then go a little bit, drag it a little bit into the crease. And again, this is just like laying the groundwork for the rest of our eye. Sitting this way makes my jeans so tight, I'm like running out of breath. Is that TMI? Smoke it out, blend, and drag up. I'm sorry if you hear my window rattling, but it's hot in here, so I have to have the window open. Oops, sorry. Okay, then on top of that, I'm going to go in with Dark Horse, right here, and a little bit of Smog, so I'm going to mix those two. And I'm going in with a 217 brush that's filthy. So I'll go tap tap and then tap tap. And then I'm going to follow that same line and smoke that out. Blend that out. Why do I keep saying smoke? Blend it. And I'm kind of, you can tell, I'm kind of going, here's the cat eye, the darkest, and then we're going with dark forest and smog. Kind of graduating. Have I told you how much I love Urban Decay eyeshadows lately? I was at the MAC counter the other day and the manager of the counter was like, your makeup looks so good. And I was like, thank you. And she said, oh, is it all MAC that you're wearing? And I was like, no. I wear Urban Decay eyeshadows. I like MAC eyeshadows. I like MAC eyeshadows for me are like hit and miss. You know? Like, and Urban Decay eyeshadows can be a little hit or miss. The only ones that are misses for me are the ones with lots of glitter. I don't like that. So I just stay away from those. The other ones are fabulous. And I'm going to kind of just come up into this crease a little bit. Get that blended out. But I was even telling the people at MAC, I was like, you need to get the Naked palette. Have you ever heard of the Naked palette? And they're like, no. And I go, no. Do you like neutral shadows? And they're like, yeah. I go, get the Naked palette. I won't tell anybody. Just get it. And they're like, really? I'm like, I'm telling you, dudes. Yes, I'm from California. I said dude a lot. And I said like. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take this. I say with trepidation because I'm not sure how this is gonna look, but we'll try it. Okay, we're gonna go in with Half Baked right here, which is gonna call in those bronzy tones. And I'm gonna do a little bit of Half Baked and a little bit of Smog, like a little touch of Smog. And then I'm gonna go right here. And really just bring it over into the rest of that eye look. Into the rest of the eyeshadows. And I'll do the same over here. Like honestly, you can make any eye colors, I mean like eyeshadow colors, excuse me, and stuff like that work if you blend. Seriously. Even though like I don't do like pinks and purples and blues together and like sunset eyes and all that stuff. I don't do that. But I'm sure with the right brush, a 217, you could do it. Which reminds me, when I was at the MAC counter and she asked me, oh, are you using all MAC eyeshadows? And I was like, no, I use Urban Decay. And I said, but I use MAC blushes, MAC lipsticks, and MAC brushes. And she's like, okay, good. I was forgiven. I like how much light this is giving to the inner part of my eye. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. So we're there. And then I'm going to go back in with my 224 and Naked and just blend out the edges. I love this color for this purpose. Just so beautiful. It's close to my skin tone, but it's got a little warmth to it, so it just works beautifully. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Virgin for a highlight, of course. And then I'll take a little bit of Virgin right here. Just to kind of brighten that up. This is like my favorite thing I've been doing at the moment. Especially like when you're going to be inside. It just lightens up the whole look. Okay, so we've got that. And then what I'm going to do is go back in with a little bit of Dark Horse and Smog. Just right here a little bit. And blend it. Okay. Then I'm going to line my waterline with feline. Line, waterline, feline, it all is relative. Just got eyeshadow on my face right here. Excuse me. And then while I'm at it, I'm just going to reline right here, just to darken that up, and to make my eyelashes look thicker. On my lips, I am wearing Everhip. This is like my favorite lip combo, and I'm going to do a video on it by itself. So, but Everlip is in, or Everlip. Everhip is in there. So, yay. Love it. Okay, pencil brush and a little bit of Dark Horse right underneath the eye. Wow, I'm sorry, I didn't know that was like extreme close-up right there. So that's done. Now I'm going to do Emily Clark's trick and curl my eyelashes with the hand that is on the side of the eyelashes. That made no sense. Right hand curls the right eyelashes, left hand curls the left eyelashes. Switcheroo. Okay, I am using Fabulash, which if you didn't see my Fabulash video, you should check it out. I'll post a link in the down bar. This stuff is excellent. A little bit of Dark Horse right underneath the eye. Wow, I'm sorry, I didn't know that was like extreme close-up right there. So that's done. Now I'm going to do Emily Clark's trick and curl my eyelashes with the hand that is on the side of the eyelashes. That made no sense. Right hand curls the right eyelashes, left hand curls the left eyelashes. Switcheroo. Okay. I am using Fabulash, which if you didn't see my Fabulash video, you should check it out. I'll post a link in the down bar. This stuff is excellent. So there you have it, Dollfaces, a gorgeous, smoky, cat eye, smoked out, bronze goddess, look. And this is for my little friend on YouTube. I can't remember your name, Hello Kitty something, I believe. But here you go, this is the look. I hope you like this look, Dollfaces, and I will see you soon. Bye!